Hi there, teachers and students. In this video, we're going to talk all about stop motion animation using nothing more than Google Slides. It's so easy. You're going to have a great time here. I'm modeling it with an example of an ice skater on an ice skating rink. Check out my background. You can do your own background. Just add a new slide and choose background, and then go to choose an image. You can use an image from your computer, or you can search Google Images right here within Google Slides. I have a background of an ice skating rink. Now I'm ready to add my ice skater. In order to do so, I'm going to insert right here from the Google slide. When you're searching within Google Slide, you don't have to worry about copyright because it's already copyright free. Choose Search the Web. I wrote ice skater with a transparent background, and I use the word clip art. That helps me focus on getting actual clip art and not real life people. The transparent background allows the background of the image to be transparent instead of a solid white, which really helps give a good look to my presentation here. Now, I like my ice skater, but I want to start her going the opposite direction, so I need to flip the image. When you have the image selected, you can choose Format Options, and under Size and Rotation, select Flip. This lets you flip your image. Now she's ready to ice skate. Stop motion animation basically is repeating the frame and slightly moving the object a little each time. To just duplicate this slide, I'm going to use Command D or Control D for duplicate. It's a faster way to copy and paste. Now I'm going to move my ice skater just a little so that it gives the appearance that she's moving and gliding across the rink. I'm going to continue to duplicate my slide and move the object just a little bit in the direction that I want it to go. It's going to be broken down into a lot of little frames, but when you kind of toggle through and check your work starting at the first frame and just advance the slide, you can see how it's really giving that gliding appearance. I'm going to delete that extra slide and continue to duplicate my slide and move her a little bit. If you want your ice skater to go even further, then you would just click a few extra times on the slide to give the appearance that they're going even faster. Now, my ice skater is getting to the end of a rink, and I actually want to flip her around and let her continue to ice skate. So I'm going to duplicate my slide and go back to Format Options, and I'm going to Size and Rotation, flip my ice skater once more, and I'm going to start her a little bit back here on the slide, and now I'm going to continue to duplicate the slide and advance the object just a little bit. To check your work, you're going to start at the beginning of your slide, and we're going to check it just in a second here. There we go. You can start at the very first slide and go to Slideshow. Then just advance manually with the arrow. Now you can see that your ice skater is gliding across the rink. In order to get it to play on its own, this is where we're going to be actually publishing our slide to the web. We're going to choose File, Share, and Publish to the Web option. Notice how it defaults to every 3 seconds. We're going to change that to every 1 second, and we want it to start as soon as it loads. Once you've done so, you're going to click the word Publish, and it's now going to publish your work to the web. Copy this link to check your work and open a new tab, pasting that link, and watch your animation come to life. This is advancing every 1 second. Notice how she glides across the skating rink. This could be so fun if you're using snowballs or if you have somebody mowing a yard or catching a football. But if you want to advance the frame even more, you can come up here to the URL, and where it says 1000, change that to 500, and now refresh your screen. It's going to increase the speed going even faster to showcase your stop motion animation. I can't wait to see what you create. Good luck.